Hello guys, good evening. How is everyone? How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. The aircon is very good. I miss you guys. How many days I did not make a video. I did not say good night to you. Anyway, I just want to ask how is your holiday today. I just want to see, have a good night's sleep everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. I miss you all and I love you all. Right. Bye bye. And happy Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday already. And it's weekend again. Enjoy your day and enjoy your weekend. It's already end of October. It's November already. Today is 30 or 31. It's November 1. Yeah, it's already November. Bye guys. Good night and sweet dreams everyone. Bye.